Hi guys. Welcome to IGX Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to check the SSD speeds on Windows 11. Let's begin with the Task Manager. To open the Task Manager, simply right-click on the empty spot on the taskbar. Now select Task Manager. Now click on the Performance tab. Select the disk that you want to check the speed. Here I am checking for the C drive as at my SSD. Well, you can see the speeds there. It is really very low. A regular SSD won't show such low speeds. But these speeds are actually correct, as the Task Manager only tells you about the live speeds. To check the total speed, we need an app like Crystal Disk Mark. You can get that for free from their website crystalmark.info/en/download. Then select Installer to download the file needed for installation. The installation is pretty straightforward, so I won't include it in the video. Once you have finished installing the app, open it. Also open the Task Manager so that we can check the live speeds. Now click on the disk option. The process will begin. You can see the live speeds on the Task Manager. This process will take a few minutes to complete. Once it is completed, you can check the read and write speeds of your drive. The speeds will be different from one SSD to another. You can see that I am using a NVMe Samsung 256GB SSD. If you are using different model, your speeds will be different. This is how we check the speeds of SSD. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video.